websites or platform, you can get free 3D resources to use in Blender and all your other 3D modeling stuff. Yeah, so I'm going to start with my favorite. So from number one going upwards. Actually, both all of them are my favorite. But let me start with free3d.com. Yeah, this platform you can get pretty everything that you need. Let me see, I need what? You can think of a car, you can think of anything, just search. They have a Woody take it all free. Free, then there's this one is $5, but free. So can maybe say I want to download this and say I want to download the Mercedes Benz. I don't know, let me maybe a sports car. So you click on the car you want to download for free, download. Then when you click on the download, you go up, there is OBJ or compressed. So let me click on the OBJ file and download. Oh, I already have it. So as a download, so I go to my downloads, 25 Mustang OBJ. So it's here. So I can copy it and transfer it in my files where I put my downloads, downloaded objects. It's here already. So I extract it, extract, and then yeah, I have my OBJ. So to import that in Blender, I go into my Blender. This is a new Blender opened. I got file, port, OBJ, OBJ. Then go to where I have my files, download objects. So here it is. So it will be imported. Okay, as it is importing, it's taking time. My machine. We can go to another platform as it is importing. So the second one is called thingbus.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thumbs up, notification bell. So Thingbus. I'm going to leave these links in the description so you can get absolutely anything for free. Yeah, so Thingbus has also lots of things, and I saw lots of them for free. Yeah, you want to use to get free access to material. You can also search. Maybe you can have this bucket, so you can also download all files here freely and use them in your platform. So let me check whether my car has come. So my car is here. Yep. Oh, my car is here. It is heavy though. So, but yeah, so I can use it for pretty much anything that I need to do. So that's how you import. Mm, yeah, I don't want to save. I have a lot. So yeah, back to my scene. So you can download anything in thinkpass.com. Yeah, and just download here all files, then use them. The other one, oh, I love this one is Maxmo. I don't know whether they call it Mixamo or whatever it is called, but yeah, it is. So Mixamo is also free. Um, what you do, you just go. I'm going to leave the links in the description. Just go to Mixamo, login, and yep, you have your pretty 3D stuff. So you can come here, characters. So in case you need to choose another character, it's taking long to load. Okay, let me say I want to get characters. You come to characters and you can choose your favorite. All of these are free. Oh, yeah, this was my last character that I chose. That's right. It's taken long. So you can choose, let me say anyone, a lady, choose this character, proceed with this new character, use this new character. Then you can also choose an animation. Yeah, you can choose an animation, walking, sitting, Um, pretty much anything. So let me say, you can say walking. So maybe walking, I want this kind of walk. So yeah, you can say maybe in place. So you should walk in place, then download. So download the same way. Downloaded the first download, and then you can also import. So this is an OBJ file, very easy. You can import it in your Blender. Same by coming here, import the OBJ file. Yeah, that one is also my favorite for people who want to animate characters. I use it often. And then the other one is, oh, those are three. The fourth one is blenderkit.com. So blenderkit.com is kind of different, but it's the same. Blenderkit. Oh, .com. So it has absolutely tons and tons of free 3D designs, free assets. Yeah, but then Blender Kit uses an add-on, and it's a free add-on. So you can go to models, come to Blender Kit, go to models, search for pretty anything you would want to. Technology, computer devices, maybe architecture, character, I don't know, animal, all 19. Okay, so all these three do you have access. So what you have to do, maybe let me click to this character. I want to use this character. Get this model. So when you want to get this model, they'll tell you to sign up. So this is where how we activate the oil. Go to preferences, then open add-ons, Blender Kit. Okay, so you can go to our Blender, edit preferences. This is 2.9. This is Blender 2.9. Okay, so preferences, add-ons, install Blender Kit. So um, Blender Kit online asset library. So this is it. You activate, then you register. Trust me, I'm not going to install it. Anyway, for purposes of learning, you click the install. Yeah, my PC is kind of slow because of overloading it and everything. But yeah, you activate it and follow. Okay, should come here, so preferences. So then you can pretty much have anything from there to whatever you want. But yeah, I wanted to show you the sharp.com. Yes, the reason why I want this one is that most of their models, all of their models are verified. So in case you need something so rare, but it is a SketchUp, so you would need an add-on. So all this you can get it for free and use it in your 3D model view. You can download it here. Now, when you download these files from this 3D warehouse.sketchup.com, they don't come in any of them. Their extension .skp. So when you go to our Blender, okay. So when you go to our Blender and we come file import, yes, we don't have any .skp extension to import. So what we do, they have a free plugin. Yes, they have a free plugin. You can get it in YouTube. I'm going to leave the link in the description. And if you want me to cover on how you can get it, that free plugin is the same way. You just these ones I don't need any, but for the sake. So the free plugin, you just come here, edit preference. After downloading that plugin, I actually downloaded it, but You can go. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can download that plugin and yes, have fun. Also, there are thousands of plugins on the internet free again for Blender, though those things can be sold somewhere else. So, if you need me to cover something on how to get plugins for free, absolutely I'm waiting. Maybe the bonus and the last thing is yes, almost everything is on GitHub, so you can check it out. Don't people GitHub via GitHub. So there is the Redcar version 6 plugin. It is also free. This is the SketchUp plugin. I'm going to leave the links in the description. But also this Redcar, I think, is sold on Blender Market. I'm not sure. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In case of anything you want me to cover, leave it in the comments.